Chief Scientific Officer of LGC, and in that role I have oversight of all of our scientific operations and new product development activities. I've been in the organization since 1991, and pre that in more academic settings. So I have a degree and PhD in chemistry. I postdoced for a while in the US and worked in a government research institute, but my academic career was always fairly applied. Worked in areas like batteries, fuel cells, nanotechnology, and diagnostics. And it's because of the latter of those that I was drawn to join LGC, which I did in 1991. And I've had lots of different roles inside of the organization: scientific, operational, and leadership. I was UK government chemist for 10 years. And as much as I can, I still keep as close as I can to the science we do inside of the organization. So as I mentioned, I have high-level oversight of all areas of LGC. This makes the role a really interesting one. The various business units that comprise LGC cover a wide range of activities aimed at supporting multiple sectors of industry, academia, and government. We're involved in areas as diverse as chemical synthesis, molecular and cell biology, instrumentation and instrument development, sequencing, food supply chains, advanced analytical science. And it's this diversity that's really fascinates me. And I think it's an organizational strength as well. Being able to bring together a breadth of knowledge that would be difficult to achieve in organizations that are more narrowly focused. Helping the development of quality assurance of medicines and foods, enabling the diagnosis of disease, tools for monitoring our environment. So it's difficult to select one or two examples, but I'll perhaps go back to our response to the pandemic, because this in many ways embodied what I was talking about before, the ability to bring together breadth of knowledge, breadth of experience to make significant new things happen. And the whole organization did pull together during the pandemic in our scientific response. So, for example, we developed high throughput diagnostic testing for COVID-19 based on the knowledge that we gained over many years in the high throughput genotyping of plants. This played a significant role in the scale-up of testing in some geographies. We also played our international role in standardization activities to drive better consistency in the diagnostics that were out there in the marketplace. And indeed, beyond diagnostics, we were involved in programs looking at the repurposing of drugs for the treatment of the symptoms of COVID-19. And indeed, we're involved with companies who were looking at new treatments, such as those based on the use of oligonucleotides. In the previous questions, I've covered the breadth of our science and also the positive nature of the work that we do as an organization. But some of the best days for me when I'm working inside of the company is visiting various scientific sites, meeting our scientists, listening to them talk about their work, and seeing the enthusiasm, passion they have for the work that they're doing. We are extremely lucky as an organization to have some fantastic scientists across all of our sites. And it's just incredibly energizing to interact with them, see their enthusiasm for the science that we undertake. I think just in conclusion, it's just a fascinating time to be a scientist. It's a time of huge advancements in most fields, and that's going to open up a huge range of opportunities. And I'm looking forward to the years ahead to see how all of this plays out. We live in changing times, and hopefully we can be part of that change in a positive societal way.